in the previous video, we saw how the build up. Okay, and I was trying to tell you about a test of the resistance at that point. Resistance is tested at that point. Still gonna highlight that point. The test and a retest of the resistance level on the 5 minutes time frame. Volatility 75 index 5 minutes time frame. We had a test and we had a retest of that point. Going to highlight that point as soon as the video gets to that part. A test, a retest. Let's see if we have a clean break of that level. If we have a clean break, then we will definitely close out this trade. If we have a clean break, we are going to close out that trade. So these trading volatility 75 index, trading volatility 75 index on the 5 minutes time frame. Trading volatility 75 index on the 5 minutes time frame. So let's see if we are going to close out this trade. Is it going to close? If it closes, then I have to delete the pending order. I have to delete the pending order. Is it going to be test, retest, or test, retest, then breakout? It's going to be test, retest, and then breakout, or test, retest, then retest. If we have three highs at that point, then we are going to have a strong reversal. But let's see how it happens. Let's see how it pans out. Oh, we have a close. We have a price breaking out of the resistance area. So I have to delete this trade. I'm deleting that particular trade, the pending order. Okay, so that's the first break-even trade. And price is going up. With the breakout, price is going up. So looking at the indicators, we have fractals, moving average, 240 period, linear weight. Color is blue. That's on the main chart. Period, another moving average period is 5. Color is red on the main chart. Apply to close. Now we have relative strength index. We have another moving average on indicator window 1. Period is 50. Another moving average. Period is 100. Exponential. Another moving average period is 200. Method is exponential. Apply to first indicators data. Then we have Ichimoku 92652. And then we have relative strength index. Period is 6. Okay, so that's that in case you need the parameters for the indicator settings. Okay, that's the parameters for the indicator set. Right now, price is moving up on V75 5 minutes time frame. Sharing with you how you can trade with the Grail-Hedge strategy. Now, I just seen a breakout. Is it a breakout or a retest? Can we call it a breakout or a retest of this high? Is it going to be a test and then retest, or is it a breakout? Are we going to have a double top? But let's see. Okay, it's a breakout, so what I'm doing now is placing a buy trade. Now, in line with Grail-Hedge strategy, the next thing is to place a sell stop. The buy trade I placed on this account is 0.001. So my sell stop will be 0.003 at 3,920 point spacing. But it appears as if the momentum is strong. It's a bullish, strong momentum. So, but I'm still gonna place the sell stop, and the 3,920 point spacing for my edge trade is at 830,914.58. The take profit for the edge pending order is going to be 2,500 points. Okay, so 2,500 points below the sell stop, and that's at 828. That's at around. Okay, you can see strong bullish momentum, and look at what price just did. Strong bullish momentum. Normally, the take profit should be 2,500 points. What we are looking at, that has been achieved already. So what I'm doing here is to close the trade, since my target is 2,500 points. And the best thing to do is to delete the pending order. Close the trade, delete the pending order. But the momentum is still bullish to the upside. Bullish to the upside. Because the price is still ticking up after the breakout. Ticking up. Okay. So don't forget, when you're using Grail-Hedge strategy, is that you place your buy trade. Okay, buy if you're buying. Okay, you place sell stop. And if you are selling, you place buy stop. Okay, if you're buying, you place sell stop. If you're selling, you place buy stop. Now, the edge spacing for your sell stop or your buy stop is 3,920. Okay, like what just happened now, just place the buy trade, set 0.001. So the next thing to do is to place a sell stop of 0.003. After the sell stop, I'll place a buy stop of 0.008. After the buy stop, if the range continues, I'll place a sell stop of 0.024. So that's the way the Grail-Hedge strategy works. So what I'm doing currently is I've just placed a sell stop. Okay, this is my sell stop. Okay, this is my sell stop. Okay, and this is a take profit. Okay, that's what we are looking at, is the take profit for my original buy trade, and that will be 2,500 points above the buying level. 2,500 points above the buying level, and the sell stop is 6,620 points. Okay, the sell stop calculation. Okay, it's my buy trade. Video is pretty fast. Video movement is pretty fast. So this is my buy trade running, and this is a sell stop pending. Okay. I'm setting the sell stop level for my. I'm setting the stop loss level for my sell stop. So if this sell stop gets triggered, then we have another buy stop. But for now, just in price hit a resistance there and a little drop. Let's see if it's going to continue up or it's going to continue down and then trigger the pending order. So it's either it triggers the pending order or it continues up. If it continues up, it's good for my trade. But if it drops further and triggers the sell stop, then I have a range. And I start to manage with Grail-Hedge strategy. But for now, Grail-Hedge strategy has not come into place. Grail-Hedge strategy will come into place, will take effect as soon as the sell stop gets triggered. So what I'm going to do is to try to fast track the video. Okay. All right. Or just looking at this, the sell stop has been triggered. Now I have two running trades. I have the buy trade running 0.001 and I have the sell trade running 0.003. So if price continues and gets to this point, I will see a closeout of all trades. My trades will close at break even. Grail-Hedge strategy has come into effect and is running. Okay, you can see the two trades. So I have a pending order, buy stop pending order waiting just in case the range continues. I have a buy stop pending order waiting around here. The lot size is 0.008. Waiting to get triggered if the range continues. This is my buy stop order. The spacing is 3920 points. I'm talking about the spacing between the sell order and the buy order. Okay. Edge spacing. Okay. So the purpose or the aim of Grail-Hedge strategy is to close the trades at break even. To close the trade at break even so that I can start all over again. Okay, we can see price getting to the tip. We're already at break even. Break even is a point where you're not making profits and you're not making a loss. And then you're starting all over again. So it's break even. Grail-Hedge strategy manages your trade, your losing trade, so that you break even and you get a chance to start all over again. You're not just breaking even with a little profit, 0.50. Okay, so that's just it about Grail-Hedge strategy, the demonstration.